Space exploration, a quest for knowledge, a dance with the cosmos. For centuries, humanity has looked up at the night sky, filled with wonder and curiosity. The stars, planets, and galaxies have always been a source of inspiration, driving us to explore beyond our own world. The vastness of space, with its infinite possibilities, has always beckoned us to venture further, to seek out the unknown, and to uncover the secrets of the universe. We seek answers in the vast expanse, hoping to understand our place in the universe. Every mission, every probe, every satellite launched into the cosmos is a step towards unraveling the mysteries that have eluded us for so long. The quest for knowledge is relentless, driven by our innate desire to comprehend the cosmos and our place within it. Each discovery, no matter how small, brings us closer to understanding the grand tapestry of the universe. Mars, our red neighbor, has always held a special allure, a promise of answers to humanity's biggest questions. The red planet, with its barren landscapes and mysterious features, has been a focal point of our exploration efforts. From the ancient canals once thought to be signs of intelligent life to the towering volcanoes and deep canyons, Mars has captivated our imagination. The possibility of past or present life on Mars has driven countless missions, each one bringing us closer to unlocking its secrets. But what NASA found there recently wasn't an answer. It was a mystery, a discovery so profound, so unexpected, it sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The data coming back from the latest Mars rover mission revealed something that defied all previous understanding. Scientists, who had spent their careers studying the red planet, were left in disbelief. The anomaly on the Martian surface was unlike anything they had ever seen before. It wasn't just a geological curiosity. It was something that challenged the very foundations of our knowledge. This wasn't just another rock formation, another dust storm. This was different. This was alarming. This was impossible. The formation appeared to emit a faint glow, something that should be impossible on a planet with such a thin atmosphere. The initial scans suggested a composition that didn't match any known Martian materials. The control room at NASA was in chaos as scientists scrambled to make sense of the data. The implications of this discovery were staggering. Could it be evidence of past life? A sign of an unknown natural process? Or something even more extraordinary? The world watched with bated breath as NASA prepared to unveil the details of this unthinkable discovery. For decades, NASA has sent robotic emissaries to Mars, rovers traversing the desolate landscape, probes orbiting above, their mission to unlock the secrets of this alien world. They searched for signs of water, hoping to find evidence that Mars, once a warm and watery planet, might have harbored life. Each mission brought back valuable data, adding to the puzzle of Mars's past, but nothing could have prepared us for this. The data streamed back to Earth, numbers and readings, the language of science. Scientists pored over it, eager to analyze the latest findings. But then, something strange happened. An anomaly appeared, a blip on the radar, a reading that shouldn't be there. At first, they dismissed it as an error, a glitch in the system, but the anomaly persisted, growing stronger, more insistent. Something was out there, something inexplicable. The anomaly. A closer look at the unexpected. Mars, the red planet, has always been a source of fascination and mystery for scientists and enthusiasts alike. Its barren landscapes, towering volcanoes, and deep canyons have been the subject of countless studies and explorations. But every so often, Mars surprises us with something truly unexpected. The anomaly wasn't just a random occurrence, it was something that caught the attention of the scientific community almost immediately. The Mars rover, diligently exploring the terrain, stumbled upon something that defied our understanding. This wasn't just another rock formation or dust storm, it was something far more intriguing. It appeared to be a signal, a faint whisper from the depths of space. The rover's instruments, designed to detect even the slightest anomalies, picked up on this signal. It was as if Mars itself was trying to communicate with us, sending out a message that we had yet to decipher. A pattern, repeating at regular intervals. This wasn't just a one-time blip or a random noise. The signal had a structure, a rhythm that suggested it was more than just a natural occurrence. Scientists began to analyze the data, looking for any clues that could explain this mysterious signal. It was faint, but unmistakable. The more they studied it, the more they realized that this was something unique. The signal's regularity and persistence hinted at an underlying source, something that was generating this pattern with a purpose. But what could it be? The signal originated from a specific location on Mars, a region previously unexplored. This area, shrouded in mystery, had never been the focus of any major missions. Scientists were baffled. Why here? What was so special about this particular spot on Mars that it would emit such a signal? What could be causing this? Theories began to emerge, each more intriguing than the last. Some suggested it could be a geological phenomenon, perhaps a result of underground activity. Others speculated it might be related to Mars's magnetic field or atmospheric conditions. But none of these explanations seemed to fully account for the regularity and persistence of the signal. Was it a natural phenomenon, something we hadn't encountered before? Mars is a planet of extremes, with conditions that can vary dramatically from one region to another. Could this signal be a product of some unique Martian process, something that we had yet to discover, something we hadn't encountered before? The possibility was both exciting and daunting. If this was a natural phenomenon, it could open up new avenues of research and deepen our understanding of Mars. But if it wasn't, then what could it be? Or could it be something else? The idea that the signal might have an artificial origin began to take hold. Could it be a sign of past or present life on Mars, or perhaps evidence of some ancient technology long buried beneath the Martian surface? The questions were endless, and the answers seemed just out of reach. As scientists continued to investigate, the mystery of the signal from Mars only deepened, leaving us to wonder what other secrets the red planet might hold. Whispers of life. The implications send shivers. In the vast expanse of space, Mars has always held a special place in our imaginations. Its reddish hue, visible even to the naked eye, has been a source of wonder and speculation for centuries. The possibility of life beyond Earth has always tantalized humanity. From ancient civilizations to modern scientists, the question of whether we are alone in the universe has driven countless hours of study and exploration. The idea that life could exist on another planet, even in the simplest form, is both thrilling and terrifying. The discovery of even the simplest life form on Mars would be a monumental event, rewriting our understanding of the universe. Imagine finding a single-celled organism, a microbe, thriving in the harsh Martian environment. Such a discovery would not only prove that life can exist elsewhere, but also suggest that it might be more common than we ever imagined. But this signal, this anomaly, was it a sign? The data received from the Mars rover was unlike anything scientists had seen before. It was a pattern, a sequence that seemed too structured to be a random occurrence. The excitement in the lab was palpable as researchers pored over the information trying to decipher its meaning. Could it be a message from an alien civilization, a beacon from the void? The idea was both exhilarating and daunting. If this was indeed a message, it meant that we were not alone, that there were other beings out there trying to communicate with us. The implications of such a discovery were profound, raising questions about our place in the universe and the nature of life itself. The implications were staggering, sending shivers down the spines of even the most seasoned scientists. The thought of making contact with an alien civilization was both a dream and a nightmare. What would they be like? Would they be friendly or hostile? How would humanity react to such a revelation? The questions were endless, and the answers were far from clear. As the scientists continued their work, the weight of their discovery hung heavy in the air, a reminder of the vast unknown that still lay ahead.